Are you interested in tiny houses and looking for a quality-built bunkie? Our no-permit required cottage bunkie for your extra guests at the cottage is a new unique loft design and is 8 by 12 feet with a huge 5 by 12 feet sleeping loft. Built by Amish craftsmen in Ontario, this loft-designed tiny house is featured on our website, www.1800fm.com. Retail dealership inquiries welcome. Call or text the words Tiny House to 416-271-7752 for more information now. Airbnb has revolutionized the travel industry. If you've never used Airbnb before, visit our website 1-800-FM.com to get a link to start an account and get $70 off your first Airbnb stay. Or text us the words SAVE $70 to 416-271-7752 and we will send you a link to qualify for that savings on your first Airbnb stay. And in these economic times, you could rent a room in-law suite or your cottage or entire home by becoming an Airbnb host listing. Text 416-271-7752 with the word host, and we will send you a link back to get started to earn money from visiting tourists in your town.